Hello children, in the last video we have learned subtracting 4-digit number without borrowing, and in this video we are learning subtracting 4-digit number with borrowing. So let us start. So the first sum of it is subtract 1399 from 4508. From this number we are going to subtract this number. Yes. So before doing that, what we need to do? We have to write the place values. So that is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay. So now write the bigger number, children, or you can write the number after the word from. So now the bigger number is 4508. 4508. Next 1399. Write 1399 below the bigger number. After writing the numbers, you have to write the subtraction sign. Then start subtracting it from ones place. So here the ones place number is 8 minus 9. So 8 minus 9 means 8 is a smaller number and 9 is a bigger number. We cannot subtract bigger number from smaller number. So we can borrow number from the tens place number now. See now, but to borrow from tens place number also, the tens place number is 0. We cannot borrow from 0, children. What we supposed to do now? When we cannot borrow from 0, before borrowing to the ones place number, we will borrow for the tens place number from the hundreds place number. Okay. So now we will borrow for this one tens place number from the hundreds place number. So the hundreds place number here is 5. When we borrow from 5, this 5 will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. Okay. When we borrow from a number, we need to reduce number 1 from that. So 5 will become 4 and we borrowed from 5, that 0 will become 10. So now we can borrow from the tens place to the ones place. So now the tens place number is 10 and the ones place number is 8. When we borrow from tens place, this 10 will become 9 and this 8 will become 18. Because we removed 1 10 from this 10 and added to this 8. So this 8 become 18 and we need to reduce number 1 from this. So this 10 become 9. Okay. So now let us start subtracting from ones place. Now the ones place number is 18 minus 9. So keep 9 in the mind because it is a smaller number and count your finger till you get number 18. Okay. So 9 in the mind. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. So how many fingers we counted, children, here? We counted 9 fingers. So 18 minus 9 is 9. Write here number 9. Okay, now we subtracted the ones place column. Now subtract the tens place column. That is 9 minus 9. Okay, when we subtract a number by itself, we will get the answer as 0. Next, the hundreds place number, that is 4 minus 3. So keep 3 in the mind and count your finger till you get number 4. 3 in the mind, after 3, 4. How many fingers we got? Only 1 finger. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Next, subtract the thousands place. That is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Let us check that. So keep 1 in the mind and count your finger till you get number 4. After 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 3 fingers. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So children, when we subtract 1399 from 4508, the answer is 3109. This is the difference of these two numbers and also this is the result of the subtraction. Difference is nothing but the result of subtraction. Okay, I hope you all understand this one. We will solve the next sum. That is subtract 5,989 from 7,035. Here we are subtracting 5,989 from 7,035. So first what we have to do? We have to write the place value. That is ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So now which number you have to write, children, first? It's very good. You have to write the bigger number first. So in these two, this is the bigger number. So write 7,035 first. After writing 7,035, write 5,989. Write subtraction sign after writing the numbers. Then start subtracting from ones place. Here the ones place number is 5 minus 3. Okay. So 5 minus 3, we cannot subtract bigger number from smaller number. So what we can do? We can borrow from 3 now. That is from tens place. When we borrow from tens place, this 5 will become 15 and this 3 will become 2. Because we removed 1 10 from this and added to this 5. So this 5 become 15 and this 3 will become 2. Next, start subtracting now from ones place. That is 15 minus 9. So children, keep 9 in the mind and count your finger till you get number 15. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many fingers we counted here? We counted 6 fingers. So 15 minus 9 is 6. Next, subtract the tens place number. Here the tens place number is 2 and here it is 8. So again we cannot subtract bigger number from smaller number. So we can borrow from hundreds place now. But children, again we cannot borrow from 0. So what we need to do now? We need to borrow first for the hundreds place number from thousands place. So now I will borrow from thousands place to hundreds place. When we borrow from thousands place, this 7 will become 6 and this 0 will become 10. Because we will remove 1 10 from this and add to this number. Yes. So this 0 will become 10 and 7 will become 6. Now we can borrow from hundreds place because now the hundreds place number is not 0, it is 10. So when we borrow from 10 to the number 2, this 2 will become 12, this 2 will become 12 and this 10 will become 9. Because we borrowed from 10 means we need to reduce one number from that. So when we subtract number 1 from 10, we will get 9. So now children, you can subtract the tens place number. That is 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 how much? So keep 8 in your mind and count your finger till you get number 12. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many fingers we counted? We counted 4 fingers. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Next, subtract the hundreds place. That is 9 minus 9. When we subtract a number by itself, then the answer is 0. Then the thousands place number, that is 6 minus 5. So when you subtract 6 minus 5, you will get the answer as 1. So children, when we subtract 5,989 from 7,035, we got the answer as 1,046. Hope you all understand these two sums. Now let us solve the third sum, that is subtract 1,256 from 7,530. So now write the place values, that is ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Now write the bigger number first, that is 7,530. After writing the bigger number, write the smaller number below that, that is 1,256. 256. After writing the numbers, you have to write the subtraction sign. After that, start subtracting from ones place number, that is 0 minus 6. So we cannot subtract a number from 0. So we can borrow from tens place. Here the tens place number is 3. When we borrow from tens place, this 0 will become 10. We borrowed from this number. So we need to reduce 1 from 3. So when we reduce 1 from 3, we got 2. So now subtract the ones place number, that is 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. You can check the answer, children. Next, subtract the tens place number. Here the tens place number is 2 minus 5. Again we cannot subtract bigger number from smaller number. So I will borrow now from hundreds place. So the hundreds place number is 5. When we borrow from 5, this 2 will become 12 and this 5 will become 4. Okay. Now subtract the tens place number, that is 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. Next, subtract the hundreds place, that is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Next, the thousands place number, that is 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. So, when we subtract 1256 from 7530, we got the answer as 6274. And this is the difference of these two numbers. Let us see the last sum, that is subtract 1390 from 7625. So let us write again the place value first, that is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now write the bigger number, that is 7625, and the smaller number 1390 below the bigger number. Then write the subtraction sign after writing the numbers. Now start subtracting from ones place. So here the ones place number is 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 is how much? Yes, very good. It is 5 only. When you subtract a number 0 from a number, you will get the same number back. So 5 minus 0 is 5. Next, the tens place number, that is 2 minus 9. We cannot subtract bigger number from smaller number. So borrow from hundreds place. Here the hundreds place number is 6. When you borrow from 6, this 6 will become 5 and this 2 will become 12. Okay. Now subtract the tens place number, that is 12 minus 9. So 12 minus 9 is 3. You can check the answer. Okay. 12 minus 9 is 3. Now subtract the hundreds place number, that is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Next subtract the thousands place number, that is 7 minus 1, that is 6. So when we subtract 1390 from 7625, we got the answer as 6235, and this is the difference of these two numbers. So children, hope you all understand how to solve the subtraction sums of carryover. So in the next video we will see the next concept of this lesson. Thank you everyone.